Okay, I think we're good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to design a YouTube channel art in 2020. We are going to do this on my iPad, but you can do this on your phone. You will need to download the app over and you will need to make some research. I am going to show you maybe 2 to 3 examples how you can make your YouTube banner. I recommend that you are making some research on what you want to write on your YouTube channel art. It can be the name of your channel, your name. You can write how many times a week you are uploading videos, what is your channel about. You can explain on that banner what you do and when you do it. You also need to make sure of the color that you want to use. Do you want something extremely simple with only color and text, or something that you're going to spend more time making, adding some graphics, some pictures? I'm going to show you all of these. Also here today you are going to learn the right way to make your YouTube banner, meaning the right size that you need to make your channel art, because I think the hardest things to do while you are making your YouTube banner is to find a way that the design that you are making is actually going to fit on a computer, on a tablet, and on a phone. I know that most of the people that are watching my videos are watching my videos on their phone, so I need to make sure that my channel art is fine and looks good, like all the important informations are in this safe zone for phones. Know what I mean? So this is the challenge here. I'm going to show you how to do that. The thing that is cool is that I have to design a new channel art for my YouTube channel, so maybe we can try to do that together. Download the app over and make your research on what you want to write on your YouTube banner, and let's go design some YouTube channel. Get a drink some coffee. We are doing this. What I wanted to show you, let's see how it looks on my iPad. As you can see, it does fit well, and let's see how it looks on my phone. So as you can see, the top of it is a little bit cut off, and we don't want that. We want it to be perfect, or at least like a little bit better. So we need to make sure every time that we are making something, it looks centered and to be able to design a YouTube channel art, you will need to know the exact size, and this is what we are going to start with. If you want to be able to have that safe area where you're going to put your text, your logo, important informations, you will need to not go over 1546 times 423 pixel. This is one we're going. Let's get started. So we are going to go on over. I'm just going to let you follow the screen, but basically we need to create a transparent background, choosing the right size for our text and logo safe areas. So we said 1546, and here it will be 423. Okay, I'm agree with this, and bam, we can write whatever we want and put whatever we want in this area, because it's going to be the area that are going to be shown on phones. Anyways, we can design this however we want. So I suggest you guys not put any background, because we are going to do the background right after, but here you can write and do whatever you feel like. Let's get into this. here what we did, we have my name, we have what I am filming about, and when a video, and when, like how many videos you're going to have a week. This is the simple way to do this, okay? So now we're going to save this in PNG. Here on export, you have to make sure that PNG is on. You're going to close it, and we're going to go on the next one. Okay, so the next step will be to create the desktop max. Back to over, we are going to take transparent, and here select the right side. 2, 5, 6, 0. Gotta make sure I'm writing the right thing, and it's still 4, 2, 3. What we're going to do is add what we've made before. So you are going to center it. It's supposed to be centered. Now you know that this is Youssef area, and around what we made, you can add stuff that are going to be shown on your computer. Let's add some stuff. Save, and now we are going to do our background. And so the max size of a YouTube channel art is 2460 times 1440. So this is what we're gonna do again. The thing that is really cool on Over is that they have already the channel cover with the exact size. So you're taking this. For this example, I'm going to do a simple background. So we're gonna do color, and white is fine. And so then we are going to add our channel art, and this is what it is. So try to make it like bigger and make sure it's centered, and let's see how it looks. Okay, here is like my personal channel, so we're going to change the cover for this one and see how it's going to look on a computer. It's about to look like on mobile, TV, and desktop. Nice, very good. All right, so the follow along, since I didn't on this channel or didn't do the website, Instagram, and everything, you won't see it. So this is pretty good. So now let's see how it's going to look on phone. It looks pretty decent. You add all the information. As you can see, maybe the name is a little bit too close to the top, but all the informations are. I'm going to show you another example. It's probably going to be the one I'm going to put on my channel, the channel that you are watching this video on. So without further ado, let's get into how to design a YouTube channel art in 2020, the cool one. Okay, that was a very long, I guess, video. I don't know, I'm going to time-lapse all of this and we'll see how it's going to be at the end, but yeah, that's a huge bottle. I'm drinking a lot of water. Anyways, guys, woo! We did it, we made an amazing YouTube banner. I wanted to check how it looks on my phone because this is the only thing that I have not done. So it looks really cool on the computer. If you're watching this video, you could see it because I already changed it. However, let me see on my phone. See, this time Justine Lemire is great. It's not like cut or anything, so anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you double if you watched this video until the end. You are the best. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That will help a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to never miss any Edit With Me video. And I will see you next time.